Hello, students. So the problem of the day says that you must be at least 48 inches tall to go on a scrambler at an amusement park. And the other situation says you must be at most 48 inches tall to go on the busy boats at the park. Now, what we need to do is write an inequality that represents the height you must be for each rides. So let's do letter A first. So inequality, this would be these symbols: less than, greater than, less than or equal to, or greater than or equal to. So let's start with the first situation. So it says here that you must be at least, so that pertains to your height. So your height must be at least 48 inches. What does the word mean, at least? Will your height be 48 inches or less, or 48 inches or more? So let's think about it. So at least means that it's going to be, at minimum, your height should be 48 inches. So your height should be at minimum, that means it's greater than or equal to 48 inches. So you should be 48 inches or taller than 48 inches. So we can represent the word height with a variable that's letter h. So h is greater than or equal to 48. That will be our answer for the first situation. Now, the second, it says you must be at most 48 inches. So the word or the phrase at most means that is your maximum height. So your height should be either less than or equal to 48 inches. So again, h represents the height. Now, this would be your answer, because the word at most means you should not exceed 48 inches. And the word at least means you should be at minimum 48 inches tall to get on scrambler. So these are our answers for part A. Now, for part B, it says that you are allowed to ride both rides. So your height qualifies for both rides. What is your height? So let's think about your height. Now, if we were to draw a number line, let's just draw a number line. This is your height, 48. This is 49 inches, this is 50, this is 47, and this is 46. Now, for the first inequality, it says your height should be greater than or equal to 48. So your height should be greater than or equal to 48. So your height should be 48 inches or more than that. And the other one says your height should be 48 inches or less than that. So 48 inches or less than that. So this is for the busy boat, and this is for the scrambler. Now let's make sense. Now, if you can ride the scrambler, that means your height is either 48 inches or higher. If you're able to ride the busy boat, that means your height should be 48 inches or lower. You cannot ride the scrambler if your height is less than 48. You cannot ride the busy boat if your height is more than 48. So that means if you can ride both, your height is exactly 48 inches. So you are 48 inches tall. That would be your answer. Hope that helps.